Back to elections where Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, had retorted to what Akhilesh Yadav had said regarding the number of seats that they expect to win in the upcoming elections in Uttar Pradesh. But now Akhilesh Yadav has also hit back to the Shehzade jibe of the Prime Minister. Akhilesh Yadav, and he was the Samajwadi Party chief, has said Shehzade will defeat the BJP, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah called Akhilesh Yadav and Rahul Gandhi as Shehzadas.
यूपी में दो लड़कों की जोड़ी फिर से लॉन्च हुई है। वही पुरानी फ्लॉप फिल्म, वही पुराने किरदार, वही पुराने डायलॉग। अब आप मुझे बताइए, पूरा चुनाव खत्म होने को आपने एक भी नई बात इन लोगों के मुंह से सुनी क्या? दोनों शाहजादों ने एक बार भी भरोसेमंद बात नहीं कही। मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूं, आखिर ये वोट मांग क्यों रहे हैं भाई?
ये लोग जो कहते हैं शहजादे शहजादे, सुन रहे होंगे आप लोग कई बार कांग्रेस पार्टी और हम लोगों को मिलकर के कह रहे हैं शहजादे। इस बार देखना, दोनों मिलकर के जो शहजादे ऐसी शह देंगे और जनता ऐसी मात देगी कि इनका पता नहीं लगेगा।
This is the first time Akhilesh Yadav has retorted back to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's jibe, the Shehzade jibe that targets, of course, both Akhilesh Yadav and Rahul Gandhi. We, of course, saw, especially in the first 2-3 phases of elections that were towards the western part of Uttar Pradesh, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi was holding public meetings. He, of course, hit out both at Akhilesh Yadav and Rahul Gandhi, calling them Shehzade. Now, today, finally, in Azamgarh, Akhilesh Yadav has responded back to the Shehzade jibe of the BJP. But at the same point of time, the statement that we heard just now from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that it's the same old script, that was made in Shravasti, and Akhilesh Yadav's today response was from Azamgarh. Both of them were addressing public meetings respectively. So of course Shravasti was one of the districts that Lok Sabha constituencies, that the BJP lost in 2019. It was with the BSP, but this time it is the BSP's candidate that is fighting on the Samajwadi Party's ticket. Talking about Azamgarh, which is of course considered a stronghold of the Samajwadi Party until in the by-polls, when the BJP candidate, popularly known as Niraua, won by-polls, Lok Sabha by-polls from there. So of course the war of words escalates between both the parties, between the BJP and the Samajwadi Party or the India bloc, and these two seats goes to poll in the next phase of voting. Yes.